If your iPhone keeps turning Wi-Fi back on automatically after you've switched it off, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to disable it properly so it stays off until you decide to turn it back on. Many people turn off Wi-Fi by opening Control Center and tapping the Wi-Fi icon. While this disconnects you from nearby Wi-Fi networks, it doesn't completely disable Wi-Fi. You'll even see a message saying it's disconnected only until tomorrow, which means it will automatically turn back on later. To turn Wi-Fi off permanently, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. If you only want to stop your iPhone from reconnecting to a specific network, tap the I button next to that Wi-Fi network and switch Auto Join off. This prevents your iPhone from automatically connecting to that network in the future. If you want to disable Wi-Fi entirely, simply turn off the Wi-Fi toggle in the Settings app. Unlike Control Center, this completely turns Wi-Fi off. You can confirm it's disabled by opening Control Center. Instead of the Wi-Fi icon appearing white, it will show a line through it, indicating that Wi-Fi is fully turned off. It will stay that way until you manually enable it again from Settings or Control Center. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching and have a great day.